So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Samsung Galaxy S21. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Samsung Galaxy S21 are Exynos 2100 or Snapdragon 888, 6.3 inches, Full HD+, Dynamic AMOLED display, 64 megapixel rear camera, 12 megapixel front camera, 4500 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charging, One UI 3.0 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Samsung Galaxy S21. There are two storage variants of Samsung Galaxy S21, 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB. There are four color variants of Samsung Galaxy S21, grey color, white color, pink color and purple color. This is the front side of Samsung Galaxy S21. This is the back side of Samsung Galaxy S21. The launch date of Samsung Galaxy S21 is on 14 January 2020. In my opinion, the expected price of Samsung Galaxy S21 should be below 65,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.